Hayden, I just started the movie.
Oh,
Hayden.
Right.
Hiccups.
Hiccups. That's yucky. Yeah.
Aw, dang hiccups.
Hi. How are you? Oh, how are you? Grandpa, say something to her so she looks over.
Hey, Brenna.
Yes.
Hey, Brenna, can you speak?
Yeah. Look,
Brenna.
she's gonna smile now. There it is.
Well, Hayden is making a lot.
Honey, she smiled.
Oh.
I told you she was gonna smile. Yeah. Very much so. And she's gonna talk? Are you gonna say something to me? What are you gonna say? Yes. She's so sweet. She wants to say hi. Hi. Yes. Oh, my little sweetie. What else you gonna say, huh? You gonna say something? You got so... There it is. There it is. Yes, you got so much to say, don't you? So much on your mind. I know. I like that. I like it. Yes, she's so pretty. Yes.
Poor Hayden over here.